Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to solve Android mobile hang problems. So let's start. First open the settings app on your Android device. Now scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Then tap on accounts. Now scroll down to the bottom and turn off auto sync data. And if you don't find it here, then scroll to the top and you will see a 3 dots on top right corner and you will find it there. Now go back to settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on about phone. Then tap on software information and tap on build number 7 times to turn on developer mode. Now go back to settings and go to developer options. Now scroll down. And here you will see window animation scale. Tap on that and turn it off. Now scroll down again. And here you will see background process limit. Tap on that and select no background processes. Now restart your phone and that should fix your problem. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.